We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can change back button in Oppo. So in order to do that, we will need to open settings, then enter the additional settings category, go for the gestures and motions, then open not gestures motions but system navigation. Then pretty much if you would like to change the back button, you gotta be at the buttons system navigation type, and then over here just change the button layout or button order. Alrighty, so that will be it for this short and simple video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.